Hi, I'm Mike with Basset Heating and Air Conditioning. What we're doing here, we're at a home up in the Stetson Meadows area of Colorado Springs today, and we're going to be performing a safety check and efficiency check of a furnace that's approximately 19 years old. We're going to be looking at a few things here to see how efficient this furnace is running, how safely it's running, if there's anything we can do to make it run more efficiently, and just a safety check to make sure it's operating safely, no gas leaks, no carbon monoxide leaks. This is part of what we'll do when we do our special promotion on the free furnace safety check. We'll also be checking the water heater for water leaks and gas leaks as well. So we're going to get started here soon with Thomas, our senior technician. He'll be analyzing this furnace and checking everything out, and then we'll have a little bit of video. What we're doing here now, Thomas will be checking the flue stack temperature, doing a combustion analysis. We're going to see how efficient this furnace is running. If there's anything indicated in the flue exhaust that may indicate a problem with the heat exchanger, that it may be cracked or other issues involved, how efficient this unit's running. He's using here the Monoxide carbon monoxide leak detector and combustion analyzer. Very nice tool to have. So this is part of our process when we check these furnaces. We're waiting for that furnace to fire up and come on, and then he'll be able to analyze the ignition of the burners in the furnace. So the burners have fired off, and we're going to now check a few things on the furnace. This instrument here, we're checking the outlet gas pressure on the gas valve to make sure it's adjusted properly. If it's overfired, that can cause issues with not only efficiency, but furnace overheating. Long-term overfired outlet gas pressure can actually put a hole through the heat exchanger, so that's never a good thing. Here with this instrument, he's checking the exhaust flue temperature and going to get an idea of the efficiency on the furnace. All at the same time, he's monitoring the gas pressure. So this is part of what we're going to check during that safety performance check and efficiency check of your furnace. This is a combustible gas leak detector. What we'll do here is we'll go over all the gas fittings, and we're looking just to see and verify that there aren't any gas leaks. If we pick up a leak with this Ipicon leak detector, you'll hear, you might be able to hear the video. Well, there it is. So we have a leak here at this connection on the gas flex that needs to be addressed. One leak so far. We'll let this clear back. The thing that we'll do as part of the safety check is that we're going to check the gas leak. The water heater for gas leaks. Same thing we kind of did with the furnace, just making sure we don't have any gas leaking. Checking all the fittings, the water heater. We also do a visual examination, see if there's any water leaking. As you can see, I don't know if you can catch that in the video here, evidence of a prior leak, rust running down. We're also going to do a carbon monoxide check on the flue to make sure we're not backtracking any carbon monoxide when this water heater fires up. So that's all part of our furnace safety check and inspection. We will also check the water heater for you when we're at your home.